Okay, so I spent the past couple hours figuring out Fullscreen, at least for, so here's the problem with this. If we turn on our mouse position's way over here. And it's over there because this is a much bigger monitor than I programmed it on, and I set the virtual space to be about this big as far as my mouse is concerned. Which works. It's just that once we place them, it's hard to see which ones you're hovered over, and especially because right now our mouse is just so jacked up from this. It's hard to see where your stone is. So we're hopefully going to fix that. If we take a look at git diff of what we have already changed, we changed our virtual width to be 1280 by 800. That's the virtual width we developed all the logic for all the grids, so we can't really change that without having to refactor all of the logic in there. So I'm deciding to kind of master it at 1280 by 800 because that's what I happen to do the code in. I know that for the future now I'll pick a different final resolution. But here's the line that we actually did something with. It was this function set full screen that takes in true and desktop. And then it says I added a width variable, which isn't what I wanted to do. Okay. Yeah, we don't need this because we're not debugging that anymore. But then in our play state, we would need to go to the bottom and make sure we're not rendering that. Okay, yeah, we are. We're actually doing it from our constants, so we should be good. Okay. So yeah, we still need to get it. Yeah, Brett suggested we just do a cursor right on path 0, 0, which I think is a great idea. Yeah, I think that's a great idea. It's actually not bad. Yeah, that's not bad at all. Okay. Let's try to make that cursor, yeah? We're gonna make a new ASprite file. 32 by 32 actually kind of sounds right for this. We're just making a little cursor. So we want, what, like a line tool? Just a classy kind of looking cursor, you know? Maybe we pick sharp black for the outline. Here's our line tool. Just want something simple like that, you know? Although, it's a little off. Something like that. With, I want it to be silver. kind of silver. No, I want it brighter than that. We can make it look like stone, you know? So we pick that color for one, and then we pick a little gradient to kind of cover it down with. That's a little too much. But, I think the shadow should be kind of like this. Something like that. I don't know, something like that. You know, it kind of looks like stone. If you don't think too much about it. You know, something like that. Something like that. Nothing fancy. Maybe we do a little transparent. We should be able to do transparent. Actually, we can't. We'd have to do a different transparency layer. Let's see what that looks like as a cursor. So we'll save this as a PNG. And we'll put it in our get tag source. Pics? No? Let's just say this is called cursor. Okay, let's hide this. Let's, we gotta add our cursor drawable. So, I thought we did that in our main, but I'm guessing we did not do it in our main now. Where did we do it? I thought we did all our drawables here. We actually don't have any drawables. This will be our first one. So let's say, oh God, dude. Okay, Jesus. Okay, this is a drawable. We're gonna say it's called cursor, and it gets love.graphics. I just gotta find this bad boy first. Let me just. Let's get back. States, nope. Source, cursor. Now where is our pictures? We don't have a pictures. So let's add pictures that we can put in here into our source. So we'll make a new folder. It's called pics. Cursor goes in there, and then we'll add it from there. So love.graphics nope love.graphics new image gets a path. That path is source pics cursor .png. It should be PNG, and I double check. But now that we've got a cursor there, why don't we just go ahead and print it out on the play state. See, where are we rendering render the stone selection at mouse position? So look, if we don't want to do it here, actually, we want to do it regardless of that. We just want to render the cursor. So here, oops. Come on. We want to say, okay, we want to say what? Love.graphics .draw, and we want to draw our drawable. So we give it cursor, and where we want to draw it is our X and our Y of our mouse. But actually, yeah, mouse X, mouse Y. We're drawing a cursor. It's just not actually working. Look, where did we render our? We do it at mouse master X minus 60 and mouse master Y minus 22. So that's where we gotta draw them. So highlight this. That's our X position. Oh, I did XX, that's why it was a diagonal line like that. And then this is actually mouse master Y, and it's minus 60. Write it out. We don't seem to have it. What if we just I just want to draw it at 0, 0. Okay, it's drawing at 0, 0. We need it to be drawing at whatever we want, not at in the middle of our square here. But what if that is just mouse X, mouse Y, and we might need to shift it by the weird offset, but no, we're not rendering it. We gotta render it, maybe we gotta render it after our stones. That would make sense. There we go. We got a little cursor. It's not in the middle exactly. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. What is the mouse and X, Y offset? Holy shit, come on. Right here. So we just do the offset here, okay. Where were we? God dang. Okay, where were we? In the render. And it was when we render our stones. It was after we rendered our stones. Right here. So we want to subtract the X offset here. And we want to subtract the X offset here. Or Y offset here. Now we should have cursor in the middle. We don't. We've got to add the offset. Nice. Now we've got a stone there. And a move type move. It's just black, so we need to set our cursor. This is almost working now. So we need to, right before we draw this, we need to say love.graphics dot set color is pure white. Nice, nice. We're getting some screen tearing because of the resizing. So that's not good. But we do have a little cursor now. So if you're in a move type move, let's turn off those potential roads. Yeah, we're gonna turn off these. We want to turn off the potential roads too, but we actually don't want to do that just yet because we noticed a bug when Brett was helping out or looking at the code, and then we ran into a bug. I don't know how to recreate it though. I just know it was like we weren't building out a potential road for some reason, even though we had stack control and everything. Okay, white one there. Huh. I know there was a way, we did have it where Brett, when Brett was helping me play, we found a position where I should have won, but we actually weren't building out the road all the way. So something in our road logic got screwed upon maybe moving things, but I don't exactly know. I don't know, man. I don't know how to recreate that bug. I should have taken a picture of it, but I did not. The good news is we figured out full screen and we've got a little cursor now. So that's cool. We should probably have the cursor on top of everything if we want to roll like that. But at least we got full screen figured out, and that should work. That should work on that should work. Let me see it. That should work on different computers, like my laptop or Brett's computer. It should. This is going to be called potential road under. Okay. Yeah, we're just getting a lot of screen tearing at this resolution, but I kind of blame the size, the fact that I'm doing two things. One, this computer is almost 4K resolution, so it's kind of a big resize, but then I'm also adapting the screen's display resolution to be full 1080 so that it's easier to read my code for you guys here on the screen. So I think that combination of things is making it screen tear. So I don't know exactly how to do that better, but we've got full screen working though, which is cool. And we've got the cursor working on there also, which is cool. Now we should, where do we add? So look, we add our cursor as a drawable. We fixed our full screen bug. And then we're drawing our cursor at the center of our stones. Well, this is really, since the grid starts at where the board is, not where the top left of the screen is, that's what the offsets are for. And then we can go ahead and say edit full screen functionality and edit cursor. We can have it so that we can toggle this cursor on and off. I just didn't do that at the moment. We probably will soon though. But that's it for today, and we'll do more of that stuff tomorrow. We're gonna get the cursor toggling tomorrow, and we're also gonna get we'll probably add toggles for our potential roads to help us debug. So if something should be a win and isn't, we're able to then toggle potential roads, seeing where it's messed up, and then we'll be able to find it from there the next time we find an incorrect bug. So yeah, I'll catch you tomorrow.